Player One Taco coming to you live from day 2 here at Super AI, and we are with the one, the only, Avinash. How are you doing today, sir?
Great, how you doing?
So I have the hardest time saying words sometimes. It's pronounced Wellapik, right?
Whale-liptic. So it's very easy if you think of it the following way. So Whale is the last name of one of the greatest mathematicians of last century. So Andre Whale. And elliptic comes from elliptic.
Okay, Wellapik.
Yes, because Whale did some of the foundational work in algebraic geometry that became the cornerstone for what is elliptic curve cryptography today.
Yeah.
So that's the genesis of the name.
So you're using cryptography to encrypt natural language processing. Is that the short form of it?
Well, it's one of the offerings that we have. What we basically have built foundationally is a distributed compute fabric that is replicated using a cryptographic secure protocol.
Okay.
And it is coupled with an execution environment that is sandboxed and virtual.
Okay.
Now it becomes a application development platform where we let people deploy applications, and the mantra is that you focus on what you need to build rather than how you need to build it, which basically means that you don't have to worry about cybersecurity issues, systems complexity, fault tolerance, and the works. You focus on your business logic, build your application, deploy it on our platform, we take it from there.
So how are you different from something like Arweave and AOS, which is doing something similar?
I don't know about them, but foundationally you could think of us as a sharded blockchain. Okay. That's where all the cryptography and all the security comes from.
Yep.
Okay. I think for the longest period of time, blockchain has become synonymous with crypto, and I think you can actually think of blockchain as a infrastructural platform on which applications can be deployed.
Well, so the ones and zeros, and I say that in layman's terms, ones and zeros are representing dollars and cents, but ones and zeros can represent anything. It can represent data, applications, information. Exactly. Is what it is. And that's whether that information means dollars and cents or it means order me a pizza.
That's a good analogy. And I think the point I was trying to make is the ones and zeros, for the most part, were always thought of as dollars and cents.
Yes.
And that's the mindset that we would like to change. And what you see here as, natural language workflow, to showcase the ability of the platform, we built an AI chatbot where every asset of the application is served from the platform that we built. And I'm sure you would have heard of the concept of MCP, which is going viral. So you can think of MCPs implemented like a smart contract that's deployed on a blockchain. And so we do the same thing. You can now plug in these MCPs into our chatbot, and we actually build MCPs that are for real enterprise use cases, like MCPs for Snowflake, Salesforce, SAP HANA, relational databases. And the goal of that is to bring natural language capabilities to these enterprise-grade systems. So
what's your call to action today, and what are you looking for at Super AI?
Well, as many customers as we can get on our platform, because I believe we are the only ones who have managed to successfully blend AI and blockchain seamlessly on one physical platform.
All right. And so where can people find you online?
Whaleiptic.ai.
All right.
That's the website.
Are you on Twitter as well?
I'm on Twitter, Avinash Lakshman. Okay. LinkedIn.
Wellapik is Wellapik
also has a
Twitter?
A Twitter handle.
And so that is WEILLIPTIC.
There you go, you got it.
That's a mouthful, but it's a good mouthful, like a taco.
Thank you, exactly.
All right, so any last things you want to say before we go?
No, I think we are opening up our chatbot. Please come check us out. And platform's been ready for consumption. Please reach out to me, DM me. Let's see how we can work together.
Amazing. And you found it here at Super AI First. We'll see you on the flip side.
Thanks a lot.